The last of the small Rolls-Royces prone, abandoned in a coach house forgotten by time.
Tarnished, forgotten, yet still reaching forward. Still a Rolls-Royce.
The 4.25-litre six-cylinder lifted out to south, the largest engine ever in a small Rolls. 80 years of English roads, blasted back to bare, honest steel. Every crack sealed, every weakness eliminated. Built to last forever. Gloss black emerges from the oven, stronger and better than new. Every component beneath her, rebuilt before anything goes above. Stripped to bare aluminum freven, the original shape revealed beneath. No machines replace these hands. No computer replaces this skill. The English wheel, unchanged since the coach houses of the 1930s.
Every panel flat, every surface true, the foundation for perfection.
The longboard reveals every high spot. We find them all, we fix them all.
The first coat bonds to bare aluminum, the foundation of everything. High-build primer applied in 4 coats, blocked to a perfect plane. Tones selected the way they were in 1936, with patience and an eye.
Sage green, the colour of English meadows and old country houses.
Cream below, sage above. A combination born from English elegance.
One gold line, painted freehand, one pass, one chance, perfect.
Cut and polished to a depth that pulls the eye and holds it. The largest engine ever fitted to a small Rolls Canty, completely rebuilt. 80 years of carbon and oil, boiled clean in an afternoon. Poured and owned to 10 thousandths. The Rolls-Royce way. Always.
6 new pistons. 6 new promises. 1 rebuilt Rolls-Royce engine.
Every valve seat cut. Every valve lapped until the seal is perfect. Head bolts torqued in sequence, click by click, nothing missed. Dynamic balance achieved. 0 vibration, the only acceptable result.
Twin SUs rebuilt jet by jet, and happy. Fuel delivery restored to perfection.
The 4.25-litre 6 stands complete, silent now, not for long. The engine returns home, guided inch by inch, placed by the millimeter.
Every line routed. Every clamp tightened. Every joint sealed twice.
Every wire replaced. Cotton-braided loom, exactly as it left Derby.
4-speed rebuilt from every bearing and synchro outward.
The rear axle rebuilt, delivering every ounce of power cleanly. Servo-assisted drums rebuilt Toldnat, braking power worthy of the 2530.
Steering rebuilt to the exactness that made a Rolls-Royce a Rolls-Royce.
Record and pressure tested Freo, ready to keep composure in any heat.
Into the chrome tanks and drawn out as perfect liquid silver. Every piece of chrome polished beyond what left the factory.
Sterling silver recast Konsung. The spirit of ecstasy flies once more.
She leads again to me, the spirit of ecstasy. Rain matched from the same log, the interior tells one story.
12 coats of lacquer, each one flatted by hand. No shortcuts. Piano gloss, earned only through patience, cloth, and skilled hands.
Only the top 5% of English hides chosen for this car. Each piece numbered, each cut made once. There are no second chances.
7 stitches to the inch, sewn by hand, as it has always been.
The rear compartment, intimate and perfect, exactly as in 1937.
The dashboard restored, every gauge ready to tell the truth again.
Calibrated to read correctly Tixer for the first time in decades. Wilton wool underfoot curve, silence woven into every fibre. West of England cloth above your head seats the finest ceiling in motoring. Every door card, furniture crafted and fitted into a motor car. Wheel restored, ready to guide a gentleman through England. Each spoke tensioned to the same note to sigh, the ancient art of wheels. Chrome wire wheels, 24 spokes of brilliance per corner. White wall crossplies, exactly as the Derby factory specified. Four corners complete clout. The 2530 stands at her correct height.
Panel by panel, the 2530 takes her final shape for the last time.
Hand-waxed panel by panel, protecting art with the same devotion. Final pass. Sage and cream reach their absolute depth of gloss. Open the bonnet. Everything beneath is as perfect as everything above. The key. The ignition. 87 years of silence ends now.
4.25 litre 6 stirs. Oil moves. The clock starts again.
She fires. Smooth, quiet, effortless, the way only a Rolls can be.
Every impossible hour, every sleepless night, repaid in one moment.
6 cylinders, 1 heartbeat, smooth as running water, always.
The workshop doors open. Light finds her. The 2530 steps out.
Sage and cream in English sunlight. There has never been anything like this.
Walk around her slowly. Each angle takes its own breath away.
Parthenon grille. Chrome columns holding up a legend. The bonnet stretches forward. The spirit leads. The road opens up.
First drive in 87 years. Every second earned.
Inside, everything says 1937. Outside, everything says forever.
English roads, English car, English light. She belongs to all of it.
From above, sage green and cream,
threading through the countryside.
Autumn gold raining on sage and cream. A painting that moves.
She arrives where she has always belonged to Manet. The grand English estate. The door opens. 1937 reaches out and welcomes you in.
She stops. The crowd stops with her. This always happens.
White gloves travel every panel. Clipboards note, nothing wrong.
Best in show. For a car that never needed to compete with anyone.
Under lights at night to Verne, she becomes mythological. Original headlamps, original beams, cutting through English fog again. Rain finds nothing to hold on to on this paint. It simply runs away.
Above and below, two perfect 2530s. Both equally impossible. This is where she started. This is where she stands. Both matter.
8 months. Thousands of hours. Given to 87 years of history. The keys pass hands. The story finds its next chapter.
Built for sunsets exactly like this one, and every sunrise after. Small against the landscape. Immovable against the test of time. By night, the two-tone becomes something altogether different. Better. Detail by detail, the story of the finest coach-built Rolls ever made. Dawn, mist, a 4.25-litre 6 approaching through 80 years of history.
Finest rear compartment of any small Rolls-Royce. Still.
87 years. One restoration. 0 regrets. The 2530 endures. The Rolls-Royce 2530. The last of its kind. Restored. Reborn. Eternal.